about passive voice?
I guess I ever learned it before.
Okay. Uh, well, so today we are going to discuss the passive voice in some tenses. Okay, in some tenses. Even I don't
Mm,
prepare or teach all of the tenses because the most important tenses I would like to explain today, which is
okay.
majority used in daily English conversation or in reading or in listening. So I
Mm,
hope you can pay your attention. Okay, so here is passive voice, something like Tom eats the cake. Okay, Tom is the cake.
mhm,
So this is
mm,
the subject and this is the verb
mhm.
and this is the object. So sometimes when we are changing the the active sentence or the active voice into passive sentence, we have to understand which one is the object. So this is the object, and
Mm,
then we put the object become the subject of the sentence.
okay.
Okay, the object of the sentence is put in front of the sentence, and it functions as the subject of the sentence. And then we
Mm,
use some patterns here is, and then the the verb is change into verb three. Oke,
yeah.
jadi kata kerjanya nanti di sini kita gunakan verb one, nanti di passive voice kata kerjanya menggunakan verb three. Oke, and then
Okay.
followed by who does the action, who does the activity, using
Mm,
by and using the doer. This is the doer. Okay, now
mm,
let's pay attention to this pattern. Look at this. In active voice, we use subject plus verb plus object. Okay, and then passive voice, subject plus be. Okay, we use be.
mm,
After be, we use verb three, or we say past participle. Okay, verb three,
okay.
and plus by. So this is the pattern for using passive voice or passive sentence. So here is
Okay.
uh, the pattern. When it is simple present tense, we use to be is mr. Okay, we used to be
Mm,
is mr plus verb three. So this is in simple present tense. And then in present continuous tense, we use subject plus to be is mr, okay, plus being plus verb three. Do you understand?
yeah.
Okay. Later, I will give you some examples, some sentences. And present
Okay.
perfect tense, in present perfect tense, we use subject plus have or has plus been. So the be is been. This is the third form of be. Okay. So the
Mm,
first is mr, and the second is was and were.
mm,
Okay. And the third is been. So because this is present perfect tense, so the be should be been. And then we use verb three. So remember, in every passive of the sentence, we have to use verb three. All of the
okay.
sentences must use verb three. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then past simple tense is using was or were plus verb three, and past perfect using had been plus verb three, and future using will, okay, plus be
Mm-hmm.
plus verb three, and modals. When we use modals, so modals consist of will, can, may, would, should, might, plus must, plus be. Okay? After
Mm,
modals, we add be plus verb three. Okay. So those are some patterns of using passive voice, and let's take a look at these examples. Okay. Look at this sentence. Tom has fixed the car. Tom has fixed the car. What tense do you think it is? Ini tenses apa?
um, uh, past, past simple.
Okay. This is present perfect tense. Okay. Has.
Wait.
Okay, so when there is has and have, we call it present perfect. Okay, and when we find had, it is past perfect. So Tom has fixed the car. When we change into passive, the car becomes the subject.
Subject.
Okay, so it becomes the car has been fixed. So look at this, present perfect. We use have or has. Okay, plus been
Mm,
plus verb 3. So the car has been fixed by Tom. Nah, in bahasa we say Tom telah memperbaiki mobilnya, and in passive voice mobil itu telah diperbaiki oleh si
like,
Tom. Oke, mobil itu telah diperbaiki oleh si Tom. So it turns to the car has been fixed by Tom. You understand?
yeah.
Okay. Well, in present perfect, I would like to give one sentence. So I want you please to pay attention, and
Mm,
please you change into passive form.
okay.
I have taken the book. Would you change into passive? I have taken the book.
The book have have been taken by me.
Yes. The book has been taken. Okay. The book
Okay.
has
The
been
book has
taken
been
by me.
taken
So
by
there's
me.
a change of using have. So the have become has because there is a change of subject.
Mm,
Okay. There is a change of subject. So we also must change the modals. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. And then next. Okay. Tom is regularly writing the letters. Tom is regularly writing the letters. What tense do you think it is?
Mm,
Tom is writing the letters.
continues.
Yes. Present continuous tense.
Present
Okay.
continuous tense.
Present continuous tense. Tom is regularly writing the letters. So because this is present continuous tense, let's pay attention to the pattern. So here is the pattern.
Mm,
When we are going to change into passive form, we use is or am or are based on the subject,
mm,
and then we use being. Okay, we use being and then verb 3. So let's take a look at here. Tom is regularly writing the letters, so it becomes which one is the subject? The object.
the letters.
Yeah, the letters. Okay, are regularly written. Are being. I'm sorry. Are being
Regular.
regularly written by Tom. Okay, in
Mm,
bahasa Tom sedang menulis surat. Oke, Tom sedang menulis surat. And in passive we say surat. Oke, surat sedang ditulis oleh si
first one.
Tom. Oke, the letters are being regularly written by Tom. You understand?
Mm, yeah.
Okay. Let's try practice this sentence. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking some vegetables in the kitchen. Would you change into passive?
Um,
My mother is cooking some vegetables in the kitchen.
um, some vegetables are cooked by my mother in the
Okay.
kitchen.
Some vegetables are being cooked. Okay.
Are
Are
being
being
cooked. Yeah.
cooked in the kitchen by my mom because it is present continuous tense.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Do you understand?
Mm,
Okay. Next, in future, when it is in future, let's pay attention. Sandy will paint the drawing tomorrow. Sandy will paint the drawing tomorrow. Okay, which one is object?
The drawing.
Yeah, the drawing. Okay, when we change this into passive, this becomes the subject. Okay, so the
Mm,
drawing will be painted by Sandy tomorrow. So look at this pattern when it is in future. When it is in future, we use subject plus will plus be plus verb 3. Okay?
okay.
Okay. So that's why here the drawing will be painted by Sandy tomorrow. In bahasa we say Sandy akan melukis gambar itu besok. Oke, Sandy akan melukis gambar itu besok. Dan in passive we say gambar itu will be painted. Akan
Kiss.
dilukis. Oke, akan dilukis oleh Sandy besok. So remember that in passive voice every verb should start with di. Oke, di
Mm,
atau ter. For example, diambil, dilukis, ditemukan, dimasak, dilihat, ditonton. Oke, so it also has a synonym with ter. Misalnya terlihat, hmm, contoh yang lain misalnya menggunakan tercampak, something like that. Oke, tercampak sama dia dengan dicampakkan. Oke.
mm,
Yeah, I think this is the form in present future tense. And then one more present perfect. The students have done the homework since Sunday. The students have done the homework since Sunday. Okay. Do you understand the
yeah.
sentence? Yeah. So when we change this into passive voice, let's pay attention to the subject. So I'm sorry, the object. So the object is the homework. Okay.
Mm,
The homework has been done. Why there is change here become has? Because the subject also has changed. This is
mm,
including third singular. Okay, third singular. So it refers to it. So that's why we say has. Okay, the
mm,
homework has been done. Tugas itu telah dikerjakan oleh siswa-siswi sejak hari
mm,
Minggu. Okay, the homework has been done by the students since Sunday. Okay. Yeah, I will make one sentence. Please take your time to think and change into
mm.
passive. My dad has read, my dad has read some magazines.
The magazine has been um read by my dad.
Okay. My dad has read some magazine.
Magazine.
Okay. So some
Some
magazines
magazine
have
has
been,
been read.
we use have, okay, because magazines is plural. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So some magazines have been read by my dad. Okay. Can you understand?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Next, one more. The students are making the birthday cards at the moment. The students are making the birthday card at the moment. What tense is this?
Uh, Present continuous.
Yes, present continuous. So when it is present continuous, the birthday cards are being made by the students at the moment. Okay, the birthday cards, kartu ulang tahun sedang dibuat, are being made. Sedang dibuat oleh siswa-siswi saat ini. Okay.
Mm,
Yeah, I think this is same with the previous sentence. Okay,
yeah.
I have asked you to make one sentence and then now is in past tense, simple past tense. Look at this. Tom took the photos last week. Tom took the photos last week. Okay, so when we change into passive, let's pay attention to the object. The photos were taken by Tom last week. The photos were taken by Tom last week. Foto itu diambil oleh Tom minggu yang lalu.
Mm.
Okay, so what change here is we use to be where because it is already past tense. Okay, because it is already past tense and the subject is plural photos, so we use where. Okay, well, let me make one sentence. My friend wrote an email yesterday. My friend wrote an email yesterday. To change into passive voice.
An email. My friend's using S.
Wait, my friend. Okay, my friend
Oh,
wrote.
my friend.
My friend wrote an email yesterday.
An email was written by my friend yesterday.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Sandy is playing the song now. Sandy is playing the song now. Sandy sedang memainkan lagu sekarang. What tense is this?
Continuous.
Yeah, present continuous. So when it is present continuous, the song is being played by Sandy now. The song is being played by Sandy now. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So one sentence here is jumping here. We didn't discuss. Wait. Okay, look at this. The cake was bought by Sandy 3 days ago. How do you translate this into bahasa? The cake was bought by Sandy 3 days ago.
Kue itu sudah dibeli Sandy 3 hari yang lalu.
Iya, kue itu dibeli ya, bukan sudah dibeli. Kalau sudah itu dalam perfect ya. Jadi dibeli. Kue itu dibeli oleh Sandy 3 hari yang
3
lalu.
hari yang lalu.
Okay. When we change this into active, how do you change this into active form? Can you change?
Sandy Sandy was buy the cake 3 days ago.
Okay, so it should be Sandy bought the cake. Sandy bought the cake 3 days ago. Okay, Sandy bought the cakes 3 days ago. You understand? So the active form of a cake was bought by Sandy 3 days ago. This is the passive, and the active is Sandy bought the cake 3 days ago. Okay, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is our lesson of passive voice, and we would like to do some exercises to make you understand. Okay, we would like to give you some exercises to make you understand. But before it, let me end this class first, and I will continue the next session. Okay, because it is almost the time to finish, and please wait for the link. Okay.